Keep your kids thoroughly entertained with Chef Noko's Nibbles cookies. This cookie decorating kit comes with delicious handmade gluten-free cookies in the shape of Noko, our porcupine, and his other forest friends. Different colored sprinkles, eyeballs for the characters, a jar of icing premix, a recipe booklet with a special and easy step-by-step icing recipe in case you want to make a little more later, a My Kindness Counter booklet, It's Cool to Be Kind button to be worn proudly, a bamboo spoon, and a paintbrush for your icing with a guinea fowl feather. The soft touch of this feather is to remind us to be softer and kinder to ourselves and others, including our animal friends. Want a monster cookie? We've got one! And while decorating, you can scan the QR code inside the box and be of the first to listen to Eleni's new Noko the Night story while you decorate. By the way, this is not just for the kids. Why not feed your inner child some sweetness too? Once you're done, share your creations with us and tag us at Noko the Night and stand a chance to win a virtual story time for your class at school with author Eleni. Get yours today. Happy decorating!